Hello! To change default apps on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into your settings, then you have to go down and go into this apps options right here and go into manage apps. Next you have to click these three dots on the top right corner right here and go into other settings. And here, as you can see, here are default apps. So for example, here is the list of different apps that you can set as default. And for example, let's select the browser. Let's change the browser default application from Chrome to Mi browser, as you can see. And basically you have to select the application you want to have as a default, go back, and as you can see, we have selected the Mi browser as the default browser application. To reset to defaults all the settings, if you made some changes, you simply have to press this button, accept, and just like that we have the browser back to the Chrome as default. So thank you for watching and please subscribe.